She comes through, boop, 10 fives, boop, 10 threes. You know what I mean? That's smashing the world record that Flojo put together. So if she's doing that at practice, it's only going to be a moment in time where if she puts together in a track meet, in a real meet, she's breaking the world record. So there was so much pressure on her to perform at a high level. I think that she wasn't ready to be able to meet those pressures without being herself. And what I say that is she could have did it and did it without any of those circumstances that came with it. But she realized now that that pressure is there. I think that she has staying power. I think she's going to stay in the game. I'm not being biased because, like I said, I watched her train. And I know that when she plugs in, she'll be ready to go.
What's up, people? What's up, viewers? My name is Usain, and this is the Usain YouTube channel. Now, that was Justin Gatlin, the 5th fastest man in history. And he was referring to Sha'Carri Richardson, who is ranked the 6th fastest female in history. And he's the man who actually trained Sha'Carri Richardson. Now I'm going to let you guys know that it is important for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Like the video and subscribe. Now, I personally believe that Sha'Carri Richardson can and will break the woman's world record. And my beliefs are based on two things: her age, she's age 22, and the fastest time she have ever recorded. That's the time that landed her at the 6th fastest female in history. The only issue I have is that I don't know when she will. Not if she will, but when will she break the record. Now, we all know she has the attitude. She has the attitude, but I don't think she's ready. I personally don't think she's ready. She's young. She's not experienced enough to do it. She would have probably been experienced if she went to the last Olympics, which she was kicked out of because of drugs. Or rather, she did not make it because she was disqualified because of drugs. And Sha'Carri should definitely be blamed for that. Now, if she had been to the previous Olympics, that would have been a great stepping stone for her. That Olympic was vital for her career and she missed it. It was a big setback, and I personally believe it is the reason why she's where she's at right now. Now, as Sir Gatlin said, she's clocking 10.3s, 10.5, 4s in training. And I personally would love for her to clock those time outside of training. I personally want to see her win, want to see her shine. I like her attitude. I don't know if it's because of where she's from. Maybe I'm used to that attitude. But definitely I like it, and yeah, that's basically it. It's only a matter of time before she gets it together. Maybe a few years, but she will. Now, remember, it's important for you to like the video, subscribe. Like the video and subscribe. And if you have something to say, the comment section is there. Leave a comment. Subscribe.